Has anyone ever told you this? I guess not. So listen carefully, because now you know you don't have the right to give up. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. Every time you think about quitting, you spit on the struggle that built you. Every time you slow down, you betray the future self waiting for you to fight harder. This world doesn't hand out mercy. It doesn't care about your excuses. It only respects the relentless, the unbreakable, the ones who refuse to stay down. So burn this into your mind. You don't have the right to quit. No talk, just pain.